The video today we have the Ridgid batteries are on sale, best special buy for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers to your likes. Big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. So we got 18 volt line 2 4 amp hour battery starter kit charger in a bag for $99. It's a good deal, guys. Make sure you guys get it if you guys are on the Ridgid line, or if you guys want to get into the Ridgid line. It's a good deal. $50 per battery. That's even less than that. It does include the charger. This is one of the nicest chargers, and then it does include a bag. So be sure to check it out. They're 2 4 amp hour batteries. I'll see if I can leave the link down below in the description section. Yep, go at it if you guys need the batteries. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.